Hey guys, I'm Hazel. There's nothing quite like enjoying some downtime in the summer, and the zero gravity relaxer chair is perfect for just that. It's durably crafted from an all-weather steel frame, and with Texteline material it provides full body support and contours comfortably to your very own body shape. It's super comfortable too, and the open weave style lacing provides ventilation to keep you and the chair cool on the hottest of days. Designed using special anti-gravity technology, this chair will allow you to enjoy the ultimate relaxing experience in the back garden, by the pool or on camping trips. It will distribute your weight evenly and helps to reduce pressure points. It really is perfect for easing aching muscles after a hard day's work in the garden. It's not often you find a summer seat with health benefits. The chair can recline to a number of positions with ease. It'll even go all the way back for an afternoon siesta. Once you find your perfect position, simply lock it in place with the twin locks located under each arm. It's super easy. The generously padded headrest is adjustable too for complete comfort. You could even remove it completely. It's entirely up to you. Once you're done with your chair, it all folds down flat for easy mobility or storage in your shed or cupboard. You can even have the option of adding a super useful side table to your chair. It's got generous storage for your phone, iPad, drinks and even your sunscreen. It's perfect if you plan on spending the entire afternoon in the sun. You can also protect your chair's longevity with a weather-resistant carry bag, great for winter storage or transporting your chair to the beach this summer. The Azuma relaxer chair is available in a great range of colours and finishes. Find the one that suits you best on the website now. Have a great summer and thanks for watching.